Hi, I'm with Leslie Leyland Fields, new friend, author, editor, lecturer, and she's just invited me to come to her place, and I'm just curious about it.
Okay, so you know where it is. Do you know where you're coming?
I'm not exactly sure.
Okay, all right. So it's an island off an island. It's Harvester Island, and it's a small island off the west coast of Kodiak Island in the Gulf of Alaska. So
Nice.
it's wilderness. It's untouched, beautiful wilderness, and we are the only ones on the island.
Fantastic. Oh,
Yeah.
the only one, so there's no animals?
There's lots of animals. So you're right. You're right. We have to count the animals, and because of course it's an island. We're surrounded by the ocean, and it's teeming with whales and sea otters and sea lions and so many fish. All so many different kinds of fish. So it's just gloriously wild.
I'm sold. So I'm very excited. So what else will we be doing besides seeing all this amazing wildlife?
Yeah, we're gonna. Well, you have a part in this, Bob,
Okay.
because I want you to share about Arasha and about creation care, and you're a marine biologist, so the oceans. Maybe you could just say a few words about what you're thinking about.
Yeah, I'm really excited because we hear so much about the ocean, so many of the different problems that are going on, but there's a lot of hopeful solutions. And of course, as Christians, Christ is our ultimate example and our hope in this conservation venture. And so we're really excited to integrate the theology and the conservation and look at some of the amazing stuff that's going on around the world and how we can be a part of it and make a difference for the 71% of the world that's ocean.
That's ocean, right, right. And so there's other. We're also going to be eating a lot of fresh seafood. It's like from sea to table. So
Sweet.
it'll be just right there, and we'll be talking about food as well, because food and creation, it's all
Yeah.
bound together.
Yeah, that's excellent. And I won't be the only one there, is that
No,
correct?
no, there'll probably be around 20 to 25 of us.
Okay.
So it's an intimate group, and we really get to know each other,
Yeah.
and we cook together, we clean up together, we go out hiking on the beaches, and so it's just an incredible community that's formed around
Very cool.
food and the ocean and this wild
Wow.
place.
I'm very excited. And so, Arasha family, anyone outside of the family who now wants to be a part of it, come along this
Yes.
summer. And all the information you can see below the post and how to sign up. Join us in Alaska. It's going to be an amazing time, and we're excited for you to join us. Thanks.